In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SPARKLINE function in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to visually represent your data succinctly within a single cell, SPARKLINEs might just be the perfect solution for you. These miniature charts can help you quickly grasp trends and patterns without the need for full-scale charts, saving you both time and space within your spreadsheet. Let's dive into the process. Imagine you have a row or column of numerical data in your Google Sheet, and you're looking to add a sparkline. The first step you'll want to take is to select the cell where you'd like this tiny graph to appear. Once you've made your choice, you'll simply type in an equal sign, followed by the word sparkline. After that, you'll immediately open a parenthesis. Now comes the crucial part, defining which data you'd like to visualize. To do this, simply click and drag over the range of cells that contain your data. This will automatically populate the range within the parenthesis. Once you're satisfied with your selection, go ahead and press Enter. At this point, you'll notice that the default sparkline generated is a black line graph. This straightforward representation can be quite helpful in many scenarios, but sometimes you might want to tweak it to better suit your specific needs or preferences. Fortunately, Google Sheets offers a range of customization options to enhance the default chart. To access these, you'll need to extend the sparkline formula. Let's say you want to modify the appearance of your sparkline. After your data range within the parenthesis, add a comma to move to the next parameter. Here's where you can start incorporating various options. For example, if you want to change the line color, you'd add curly brackets after the comma and type in options like color and choose a new one you prefer. This is particularly useful if you have multiple sparklines and want to distinguish between them. Add the text color followed by a colon, then within quotation marks, your desired color like red, blue, or even hex codes for more precise shades. Additionally, you can change the sparkline type. While the default is a line graph, Google Sheets allows for other types such as bar charts. To do this, include another option within the curly brackets. Type chart type followed by a colon and then specify bar in quotation marks if that's your choice. These tools give you the flexibility to align the sparklines with the visual style of your entire sheet, or to highlight specific data insights more effectively. We've just explored how easy and quick it is to set up sparklines in Google Sheets. It not only enhances your data representation, but also keeps your sheet neat and insightful. By utilizing the customization options, you'll ensure that your data visualization is not only informative, but also visually appealing. Experiment with the color schemes and types to find the combination that works best for your dataset. I hope this guide has been helpful, and don't hesitate to explore further with the different options available. Thanks for watching, and happy graphing.